Hi, I'm Jim Gordon, and you're watching Market 1 Minute. Joining us is Graham Lempriere. He is the chairman and CEO of Clean Seed Capital Group. Graham, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Graham, agriculture is such an important part of life. In your opinion, is agriculture changing?
Agriculture is definitely evolving and changing rapidly, especially now. It's not the traditional farms and farming methods that have been used in the past. It has been evolving over decades, but we're really ramping up and accelerating how we maximize our yields and stewardship of our planet. Farmers are now a lot more than just the traditional farming. They're scientists, they're analysts of data, they're bankers. It's an interesting time for agriculture, and we're proud to be part of that movement.
And so is Clean Seed a machinery company as in big iron or a technology company?
I get asked that question a lot. Clean Seed is truly a technology development company. There's aspects of iron within it, of course, because it is large equipment. But at the heart of our business, we're a technology company through the development of software, hardware technologies, air delivery system technologies, metering technologies, sensors, all come together as a new machine that is going to have a profound impact on agriculture. But at the core of the machine and the brain of the machine is truly technology development, and it's quite a science.
And how does this technology impact the environment?
This technology has a strong impact on the environment, both from the in-ground soil disturbance perspective, which sequesters more carbon, to limiting the amount of fertilizers that need to go into the ground due to its micromanagement capabilities, and generally keeping that soil surface structure stable has a profound impact. It truly is the next generation of seeding and planting equipment.
And does the company have patent protection?
One of the core values in our business is patent protection. We started this process 2012 when we came up with the concept to really advance the seeding and planting process and technologies. We spend a lot of capital, a lot of time, and we're very detailed on securing these developments that we create. We're very proud to have patents issued around the world. These patents cover all aspects of our technology, from the software to the hardware, our metering technologies. The very philosophy behind our approach to micromanagement of multiple products in a field is protected. And we knew from the outset that the technologies we were developing were going to have a profound impact. So we focused very hard on making sure they were protected.
And Graham, tell us more about your joint venture with Norwood Sales out of the U.S.
Clean Seed was fortunate to start a relationship with Norwood out of the United States, North Dakota. Geographically, it's a fantastic location for manufacturing. Norwood's been in the manufacturing business for 30 years. They manufacture for key tier 1 companies. But what was good about for us was they had their own intellectual property from an iron perspective, which was the frame and the carrier, if you will, of our intellectual property. And not only the ownership dovetailed very well with our management group, but they really committed to investing a lot of capital, a lot of time to make modifications to their own technology to be able to carry our systems. But also overall, they've really formed a wonderful joint venture with us where we're collectively manufacturing this technology and prepping it for distribution. What's good about Norwood as well is that Clean Seed doesn't have to have the capital outlay for greenfielding a plant or getting itself in a manufacturing environment with multiple different parties. This is a one-stop environment with a very good partner that can assure quality and timely manufacturing of our equipment.
And finally, what does 2021 look like for Clean Seed?
2021's a great year for Clean Seed. We've spent a great deal of time and effort putting this technology together. We've spent nearly $20 million, built multiple machines, tested them, trialed them, demonstrated them across Western Canada, some areas in the United States. And through all these efforts and the contribution from the farming community, we're now in a position where we're ready for production and heading into the sales cycle. We're manufacturing the product through our production line this time around to really get a handle on the future. It's a very exciting time. We're looking forward to showing the world what we have. the impacts it has for farmers, the impacts it has environmentally, the role it will play in carbon sequestration and regenerative agriculture. So it's going to be a fabulous year to be able to really demonstrate the final iteration, our Smart Seeder Max, and start introducing the sales revenue to Clean Seed.
Graham, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Hi, I'm Jim Gordon. Thanks for watching this Market 1 Minute on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with other videos that we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click on this list to see other great videos from Market 1. And thank you again for watching.